Good job. Keep gentle the contact. Keep gentle left rein. Yeah, left rein. A little bit more. Yeah, good, good. Yeah. Find a little bit more outside rein and drive more with the inside leg. Yes, keep your left rein. And try to keep in the find a little bit more your outside rein. Left rein, left rein. Keep more contact to the left. Yes. Yes, keep your contact to the left. Yes, left leg, left rein. Yeah, left rein. Good, good. Yeah, right rein, right rein. Yeah, but keep gently your left. Keep gently your left. Straight ahead. Easy, easy. Yeah, left rein, right leg. That is open. Yeah, good. Keep your outside and soft to the inside. Good. Easy, easy. Right leg, right leg. Lift the leg, lift the leg. Good, good, good. Left arm, right leg. Left arm. Little bit more contact, a little bit more contact. When I say more left arm, I might try to keep it. Good, good. Keep him short. Keep him, yeah. Shorten now down a bit the range, just a little bit. Yeah, because the neck it goes short and immediately we have to fix the reins. Good. Left rein again, left rein, left. That's it, left rein, right leg. Right leg and left rein. Yeah. Left rein, left rein, left leg. Yeah. Legs is really good, so. Right again, left leg. Yes, good, my dear. Keep changing the contact and very careful in job. Keep gentle the contact. Don't drop the reins away. Yes, correct. Good. Don't drop this tempo. Keep your contact. Keep your contact. Outside rein, soft to the inside. Soft to the inside. Easy, a little bit more left rein, a little bit more left rein. Yeah, keeping next rein, left rein, soft to the right, left rein, left leg, left leg. Easy, yeah. Keeping gentle, yeah, good job. Keep your outside rein. Keep your outside rein, soft to the right, left rein, right leg, left rein, right leg, yeah. Still a little bit more your left rein, still a little bit more left rein, give the right, yeah, easy, half the left, yes, gentle now, half the left again. Yes. Up gentle with the left. Get now. Yeah, well. Easy. 20 meters circle, be a little softer with the right. Little rounder to the right. Half or left. Outside. Yeah. Easy, good. Half a leg in, gentle with the outside. Otherwise, she's good. Yeah, now it gets lighter. Half a gentle with the left and soft. Yes. Half a left, don't pull with the right. Because otherwise the neck goes to the right, the body goes to the left. Yes. Half-hold, gentle to the right. Easy, yeah. And very carefully more. Half-hold right and soft. Half-hold right and soft. Yeah, easy. Keep the neck straight. Keep the neck straight. Keep the neck straight. Keep the neck. Give the right. Give the right. Yes. Keep the neck nice straight. Neck straight. Ah, good, good. Drive a little bit more. And drop, and drop. And drop. Left leg, half a left, left leg. Drive him away from this pressure. Drive. Good, 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 good. Look at that. Yeah, because it's this little movements we have to build up. Huh? Give the left, give the soften over the right. Yes. Easy, turn the right. Turn the right. Half or left. Get soft. Turn left. Give. Half or left. No, he's drifting over the left shoulder. You must be soft to the right. You see? The neck will go to the right, but the whole body will go to the left. Yeah. Good. Half or left and forward. And easy. Drop. Give. Drop. Yeah, give. Forwards. Drop. Half or left. Half or left. She's drifting to the left again. Good. Half or gentle with the left. Again a gentle half or left. Yes. Good. Half or going to the left again. Half or left. See how he's hanging on this right leg. So she goes always over the inside shoulder. Give the right. Yes. Yeah, half a left again. And give the right. Yes. Be soft to the right. Don't have to have so much patience. Yeah, left brain a tiny little bit more. We have to get more on our left brain. It's always hanging on this right brain. But this major problem is we have also right hand and left hand. And more around to the left. Yes. Yeah. Keeping around to the left. Yeah. But keep this left hand good against the neck. Yeah. Oh. Gentle, left leg. Easy with the legs, the shoulder. Half or left. Yes. Good. Yeah. Tiny little bit more. Yeah. Good. Left leg. Get to the left. Around to the left. Backward, around to the left. Stop to the right. Stop. Right leg. Good. Yeah. See, the situation changes all the time, and I have to be always alert to change a little bit my hands. Left leg, and 10 meters further, keep him good around to the left. You see, he's trying to grip all the time this right leg to find his balance there. Around to the left, give the right, around to the left, yes. Keep him still around to the left. His right muscles are shorter, so he can pull all the time through these muscles more to the right lane. Yeah? Good. Drive. Right lane, right in, left leg, and right. Keep your contact, keep your contact. Yeah, good. Around, drive more. Keep your inside rein good against the neck. Yes. Yeah, don't lose your balance yourself. Half or left. Half or inside and give the right. See? Yes. Soon as you get keep it. Look at it. Always to find his balance on this right leg. So we don't give him this. Bend him more to left. Bend him more to the left leg. But you must keep the inside rein against the neck. No, flexion to the left. He's aiming always the head to the outside. Good, good, yes. You see what I mean? When he's in balance, then it's wonderful.
Yeah.
Yeah, again a little round to left. Yes, my dear. And all this, look, these things, we have to build up. Right? Again a little bit half or left and soft. Yes, half or left and then soft. Yes, yes,
Lovely.
yes, super. Half or left and soft. Always on this right leg. Good. Go to the inside more, please, my dear. 10-meter circle. Round to left, around to left. See what I mean? Put the whole horse bend to the outside. More round to left, more round to left. Yes, once more. Keep it round to left. Keep it round to the inside. By shortening, give the left. Shortening, give the left. Once more. Shortening, give the left. Around to left. Yes. Good. Good. And straight. Yeah. Good. Yes. Around to the left. Yeah. He takes every possibility to hang on this right tree. Half or left. Yes, give the right. Yes. When you get this, you have a super horse. Half or left. Half or the inside. Give the right. Give the right. Yes. Yes. See, as soon as the horse bends to the left, no trouble whatsoever. Around, give, around, yes. See, he tried all the time to fall over the inside shoulder. Huh? Yeah, good. Around to the left. Give the right a little bit. Yes, yes. Super. Give the right again and keep it round to the left. That's what he don't like. When you get this, then you have him. Give the outside, around to the inside. Yes. Give the outside, around to the left. Yes. Around to left. No, you're trapping all the time this left rein. It's better you trap the outside and keep the inside. Yes, my dear. Keep it around to the left. As soon as he puts the head to the outside, he falls to the inside. Yes. Good job. Keep it around the left. Yeah, keep it around. He don't know where he's going.
Yeah.
Give the right. You know, his head is to the outside and falls. Good? Yeah. 10-meter circle. Look, he's always, his head is to the outside, always. Yeah, he still makes a left turn. And good, good. Around, give, around, turn him to the left, turn him to the left. And give the right. Yes. When you, around to left, when we get him away from this tight rein, then we don't have any trouble. Around to left, yes. Around, 10-meter circle again. Around to the left, he takes every possibility to look to the outside. Around to left, soft. Around to left, soft. Yeah, and change. 10-meter circle right. Around, give. Around and be soft. Around and be soft. No, half or left. No trapping, sweetheart. You know, just relax the shoulder. That's plenty enough. Round give, right leg. Good. Round, be soft. Round, yeah, round, be soft. Yeah, but not loose. Good, good. And change. Yeah, keep it on to left, keep it on. Yeah, left leg more, left leg more. Give a little kick with the left, so he goes out. And he falls almost over this inside shoulder to the left. Good, give the right. Yeah, my dear. Around to left, the left leg. Give a little kick with the left. Give a little kick with the left, so this left hind leg comes under. Give a kick with the right, and straight. Around to left, yes. 10-meter circle. Around, this up. Can you see how those muscles always pull him to the outside? Huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah, good. Good, around, soft. Yeah, super, now forwards. Come on, ride him a little bit more forwards now. Half for left. Not too much. You know, you have to, no, it's a little bit over his limit, you know. Half for left. Hanging always. Yeah. Around to left. Yes. Good. Around to left again and soft. Without losing. Yeah. Wonderful. Half for left and soft. Easy, very gentle, yeah. Give the right, give, yes. Now give the right again. Round to the inside, yeah, right. Good. Give the right. Good. Yes, my dear. Very nice. Yes. Now give the right. Yeah, give the right. Around to the left, and left leg. Yeah. Come. Watch out how much, so as not to go over his tempo. And very careful, canter. Don't drop the reins. And clutch, see what I mean? He goes immediately in right canter because he's bended to this side. Yes, easy, that's all right. Good. Keep the neck nice straight. Very nice. Give a little bit the outside, not too much. Outside leg, yes. Good job. Left leg. Give the right. Yeah, wonderful. Give the outside. Yes. So when she gets this, then she has the inner side. Good. Yeah, super. See what I mean? As soon as he bends his head to the outside, he's going away. Good. Give the right again. Yeah, give the right. Yeah, very nice.
Should we start the warm-up in canter?
Doesn't
matter? Because he's
easy, change your direction. Turn right, left rein, turn right and canter. Don't drop. Then I'll be soft to left, lift the left. Little bit more right rein, Yeah. Good. Keep your right, soft to left. Yeah, but you couldn't do it in canter by beginning. Because it would be all over. Right leg, yeah. Right leg. Give the left now a little bit. Yeah, round. Yeah, left leg. Yeah. You're watching good with your outside leg. And very careful. Easy. Careful. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep your contact. Good. Give the left. Give the left. Yeah. Very nice. Super. Give. Give. Excellent. And four. So what we have to do with him, you know, by beginning, the most important, get him away from this tight terrain. You know, when you, because he takes every possibility to do it this way. Then he falls over the inside shoulder. The hind leg is really not under.
Okay.
Goes very good now.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Just try to get him away from this tight terrain.